Welcome! In today's video, we're going to learn how to stop Telegram from flashing its icon on your taskbar whenever you get a new message. If that flickering light keeps distracting you, don't worry, there's a quick and easy way to turn it off using Telegram's latest update on PC. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Give it a moment to load up, and once it's open, focus on the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines sitting right next to your profile picture. Click on those lines to bring up Telegram's main menu. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings. This section is where you can personalize Telegram to your liking, from appearance to privacy. And yes, the notification settings are right here too. Inside Settings, click on Notifications and Sounds. This is the place where you control how Telegram alerts you whenever there's new activity, whether it's message pop-ups, sound alerts, or that little flashing icon on your taskbar. Now, look for the option that says Flash the taskbar icon. By default, it's turned on to make sure you notice incoming messages instantly. But if you'd rather not have that constant blinking whenever a notification comes through, simply toggle this option off. Once it's disabled, Telegram will stop flashing on your taskbar, but you'll still get message alerts through other methods you have enabled. That's it, you're done. You've successfully turned off the flash taskbar icon for Telegram notifications on your PC.